Zimbabwean lawyer advocate Tawani Mpofu has returned to the head of states of the Southern African Development Community SADC, urging them to publicly and formally condemn the remarks made by the commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, regarding the military's involvement in electoral processes in support of the ruling party ZANU-PF. Ashpere musha mure Zimbabwe, Tawani Mpofu oya achipikisa the ruling party aiwa SADC nima head of states ayo ari munyika yeZimbabwe. Sana bina mashoko awe ashinora not to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mnaumoni kwa mchinzi. In a letter dated 1 August 2024 and addressed to SADC, Mpofu requested the regional organization to pressure President Emmerson Mnangagwa to provide a credible assurance that Zimbabwe's electoral processes will be demilitarized and that concrete steps will be taken to respect the will of Zimbabwean people. Ndo mashoko anekanyogwa mutsamba inonyogwa naTawani Mpofu achita aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe idi mnangagwa nga dismiss mashoko awo achita aiwa ma elections edu achanga ari demilitarized, apana military involvement chete kwa electoral processes in support of the ruling party ZANU-PF. Anouya panapa achipina idi mnangagwa achimuripotera ku the SADC board achivauza kuti aiwa mashoko akatogwa na Anselm Sanyatwe mashoko aya ngama dismiss muripo tizive chokwadi titange pa fresh page tuzive mafungiro enyu moti kudipa msoro pemashoko awa netsamba yanyogwa pene comment section medu musangano subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.